Yo, you could have made 163.5% in 3 months using the News-Navigator. It has completely snapped on every single news event since December the 10th, 2024. It has not taken any losses since we started on December the 10th, 2024. This was the initial video that I put out explaining the strategy behind it and how we got to this point. And within a week, it had already gained 17%. Let's review some of the trades. So it has 13 news events that are coded inside to trade off of, and it'll rotate between them as the event occurs. So for an example, we have traded the CAD rate at least 3 times now, and GBP CPI 3 times, USD CPI 4 times as of today. And in each of the news events, it averages just about 5%. Now we're in February. NZD rate, EUR rate. And now we are in March. And this week's do not miss out on the next 3 months of growth. The News-Navigator is going absolutely crazy, exactly as it said it would in the strategy tester. I'm J Blank, News-Navigator 3-month streak. I'm out. Peace.